Welcome to Video 5, Effective Saving. Today, we'll dive into the importance of saving money, strategies to save more, and different types of savings accounts. Saving is a cornerstone of financial security and peace of mind. When you save effectively, you're not just putting money away. You're investing in your future and protecting yourself from financial uncertainties. Saving money is crucial. Think about it. Life is full of unexpected events, and having savings can turn a potential crisis into a manageable inconvenience. For example, let's talk about Maria. Maria always dreamed of owning a house, but for years, it seemed out of reach. By consistently saving a portion of her income, she slowly built a down payment fund. It wasn't easy, but Maria prioritized her savings, making small sacrifices along the way. Eventually, she saved enough to purchase her first home, transforming her dream into reality. Maria's story illustrates the power of disciplined saving. There are many benefits to saving. An emergency fund is a prime example. Life can be unpredictable, and having a safety net can mean the difference between stress and stability. Imagine John, who had a sudden medical emergency. Without an emergency fund, the bills would have been overwhelming. However, John had diligently saved, building an emergency fund that covered his unexpected expenses. This not only alleviated his financial stress, but also allowed him to focus on recovery without the burden of financial worries. Let's talk about strategies to save more. One effective strategy is to pay yourself first. This means allocating a portion of your income to savings before spending on anything else. By treating your savings like a non-negotiable expense, you ensure that you're consistently putting money away. Automation is another powerful tool. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account ensures that you're consistently saving without having to think about it. This method helps in building a habit of saving. Cutting unnecessary expenses is also crucial. Reflect on your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. For instance, if you find yourself frequently buying coffee, consider brewing your own at home. These small changes can add up over time, significantly boosting your savings. Tracking your expenses is vital. By knowing exactly where your money goes, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back. Creating a budget is another essential step. A budget helps you plan your spending and savings, giving you a clear picture of your financial situation. Using cash for certain expenses can also help control spending. When you use cash, you're more aware of how much you're spending, which can curb impulse purchases. Now, let's discuss types of savings accounts. A regular savings account is easy to access but offers lower interest rates. However, if you're looking for higher returns, consider a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer better interest rates but may have certain restrictions. Certificates of deposit, CDs, are another option. They offer higher interest rates for fixed terms, providing a safe way to grow your money, though they lack liquidity. Other savings vehicles include money market accounts, which offer higher interest rates and check-writing privileges. Retirement accounts, like 401(k), and IRAs, provide tax advantages, making them excellent options for long-term savings. Investment accounts, such as those holding stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, are suitable for long-term growth. While they come with higher risks, they also offer the potential for greater returns. Choosing the right savings account depends on your goals. Consider whether you need easy access to your money or if you're saving for long-term goals. Look at interest rates to ensure your money grows as much as possible. Additionally, be mindful of fees, as high fees can erode your savings. Let's hear about Sarah's success. After college, Sarah was overwhelmed by student loans and credit card debt. She decided to take control of her finances by creating a detailed budget and setting up a high-yield savings account. By diligently saving and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, Sarah gradually paid off her debt and built a substantial savings account. Her story shows that with discipline and the right strategies, anyone can achieve financial peace of mind. Inspirational quotes can also motivate us to save. Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This emphasizes the importance of prioritizing savings. Benjamin Franklin's wisdom, "A penny saved is a penny earned," reminds us that every small amount saved contributes to our financial health. Dave Ramsey's advice, "Saving must become a priority, not just a thought." Pay yourself first. encourages us to make saving a consistent habit. In conclusion, saving money is essential for financial security and achieving your goals. By implementing effective saving strategies, choosing the right savings accounts, and learning from real-life examples, you can build a strong financial foundation. As your homework, identify 3 unnecessary expenses you can cut and set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. In the description, you'll find a template to help you create your budget. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your savings journey in our next class.